Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you an internet trending recipe or a dish. This is called as Kizhi Parotta or even Potlam Parotta. This is a chicken gravy combined with parottas baked in a banana leaf parcel. I've laid out all the ingredients for the chicken curry. I'm going to marinate the chicken curry first. So I'll be using chicken which is washed, drained and reserved. I'll be using yogurt, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and lime. This is for the marination. We need to marinate the chicken. So to the chicken, I'll be adding ginger garlic paste, yogurt, lime juice. We'll add the chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, curry leaves. We'll combine all the ingredients in the chicken, massage this and allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes before we prepare the curry. I've laid out all the ingredients for the curry at this point. The chicken has marinated. I've ground and reserved onion or onion puree is what we'll be using as the base. We need cumin seeds, fennel seeds, peppercorns, finely chopped onion. I'll also be using garam masala powder, coriander powder, chili powder and turmeric powder. We'll require curry leaves. And we'll also require ginger and garlic paste and the chicken which has been marinating. I've heated a wok on medium flame. I'll be preparing the curry. I've added coconut oil. You can also use sesame oil or peanut oil for this recipe. I've added peppercorns, fennel seeds and cumin seeds. And I've added the ground onion paste. We'll fry all these ingredients on low to medium flame. I've added the curry leaves, ginger and garlic paste, now fry all these ingredients. Place it on very low to medium flame. The onions have to brown and the raw flavor from all the ingredients should reduce. At this point, I'll be adding the finely chopped onion. We'll fry the onion till the onion turns transparent. That is the reason why I've ground the onion and I'm frying it till it's brown in color because the taste enhances. Once the onion has turned light brown in color, I've added the finely chopped onion and fried the finely chopped onion till it turns transparent. Once the onion has turned transparent, I'll be adding the spice powders, chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and coriander powder. I'll fry all the ingredients till the raw flavor has reduced. Many people have asked me what is the garam masala I use. Normally I used whatever I prepare at home, but I generally use for chicken curries or for my recipes is Kitchen King masala from MDH or Shakti masala curry powder, and even Everest chole masala is something I gravitate to because I like the taste of it. Now once the masala powders have fried, I've added the chicken and fried the chicken in the masala for a few seconds. We'll be adding hot water and we'll cook the chicken till it's tender. We'll cover and cook this till it's tender. I will be adding the salt later on. Now the chicken has cooked till it's tender. At this point, I'll be adding the lime juice and also adjust the salt. Bring the curry to one rapid boil and the curry is ready. Now we will reserve this curry and start preparing the banana parcels. In my previous videos, I've shown you how to prepare layer paratha. So I've prepared the layer paratha and reserved it. We have got the chicken curry ready. We have sliced and reserved onion, tomato and bell pepper. We'll also require pepper powder, chaat masala and cumin powder. I'll be using banana leaf. I've heated a tawa on medium flame to prepare the parcels. I'll heat the banana leaf first because it will be easy for us to fold it into a parcel. So fry the banana leaf on the tawa itself so that you don't burn it. Many people try to fry the banana leaf or try to toast the banana leaf on the fire, but it ends up burning. So prepare it this way. Once we have toasted that leaf, you can see how flexible it is. I've added few drops of ghee at the base. I'll be layering it with the paratha first, the curry and chicken pieces. I'm using chicken which is curry cut. You can also use boneless chicken, which is boneless thighs or boneless breast in this recipe. I've added thinly sliced onion, tomato and bell pepper. I've added the spice powders, that is chaat masala powder, pepper powder and cumin powder, and I'm again going to layer it with the curry and the chicken. We'll top it with the onion and tomato. Sprinkle the spice powders, chaat masala, pepper powder and cumin powder. Gather all the edges and prepare a parcel. You can see how easy it is to fold the banana leaf once we have toasted it. Now we'll be tying the banana leaf into a parcel and we'll fry this on a tawa. This is called as potalam in our local language. I've heated the tawa back on low to medium flame and added quarter cup of water. We'll also add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now I'll place the parcel. I've covered it with a wok because that was covering my parcel. Cook the banana leaf on the tawa covered for 10 to 15 minutes on very low flame. You can see the base has baked. So it is nice and crispy inside. The paratha has turned out nice and crispy inside. The base is cooked. I kept turning it and frying it to all sides. So it roughly took me around 10 to 15 minutes to fry this parcel on low to medium flame. So once this is fried, I removed it from the flame and served it. A detailed recipe is posted on my blog, friends. Blog links will be listed in the description box below this video. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will also be mentioned in the description box below this video, along with my social media handles, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Do follow me on my social media for regular updates. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.